Hello friends, welcome once again. We have Akash Sharma with us, who is from Dehradun, and he got recommended for FCAT flying branch in his first attempt. Akash's father is a serving junior warrant officer, and currently he's in service. And before we start, I'd like to tell you that Akash is not a regular student with the Air Force OP, but he was a follower of the Air Force OP videos. And he contacted me. In fact, he had contacted me sometime back also, that he wanted to go through some tests and all, but somehow it could not happen. He wanted to have some discussion on the psychological test, but that could not be done. And today he contacted me, and today itself we are having this interview. And so thank you for Akash. पहले बात तो interview के लिए allow करने के लिए भी उससे भी पहले congratulations on your success in the Air Force selection board in the very first attempt itself. So congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Start करते हैं, yeah. And before we move further, I'll request you, Akash, if you can give me a slight introduction about yourself, your background, where are you from, parents के बारे में, schooling and all those things will be interesting.
Sure, sir. Sure. Yeah. So myself Akash Sharma, and I belongs to Dehradun, Uttarakhand. And my father is serving in Indian Air Force, and my mother is a ex-teacher. Due to some problems back in 1995-96, she left her job. And thereafter, she's taking care of our home as a homemaker.
Yeah.
And in my family, I have brother, sister.
So sisters are elder to you, younger to you?
Yeah, so younger. They are younger to me.
What are they doing?
So they are studying only, sir.
Okay.
And sir, for my studies background, right from the beginning, I have studied in Kendra Vidyalaya across the country.
Okay.
But I have completed my class 12th in KV Indian Military Academy, Dehradun.
How did you raise there? Your father was posted there?
No, sir. My father was there in Bangalore, but due to the feasibility of education, and since our home was also there, we got shifted to Dehradun with my mother.
Okay.
And I have completed my
12th. You had an experience of staying in the IMA environment. You would have seen a lot of
yes, sir.
Cadets
from KV IMA itself.
Yeah. Okay.
Since right from the beginning, Forge is one of the thing where I want to go. Yeah. So, in 2015, I appeared for Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test, which is a central university under Ministry of Shipping.
Okay.
So I got a BSc in Shipbuilding and Repair over there.
BSc in Shipbuilding and Repair.
Yes, sir.
So I'd like to know before you proceed two things. One is, what was your interest in going for BSc Shipbuilding from that from that graduation point of view? And now since you have joined, you may be joining FCAT Flying May. So that education of shipbuilding, I think it's going to go waste. So what's going there? And yeah.
So my main motto behind joining the shipbuilding and repair in Kochi, one of the thing was that since it is a central university, so definitely after coming to a common ground, when you are pass out from a central university, it provides a certain edge, what I believe.
Yeah.
And since it was the field which is related to maritime, so I thought that maybe by somehow I'll join Navy in one or the another way.
Okay.
So I completed my BSc in 2018 and took a lateral entry program into BTech Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering.
You completed that?
Yes, sir. I completed both the BSc and BTech as well.
Where did you do this from, BTech? Which place?
I joined BTech at Visakhapatnam. It's one of the campus of Indian Maritime University only.
Visakhapatnam. Okay. And
known as National Ship Design Research Center, NSDRC.
Okay. And was there any placement also through that after you finished with your BTech?
Yes, sir. But the thing was that means the chances were bleak due to the coronavirus. Okay. A lot more company came down the line, but due to some time issues, and so I was preparing for full time for the defense and the assistant commandant and civil services, most probably, which I can say in the whole.
Okay.
In the perspective of the
civil services preparation you had started? No.
Yes, sir. I started, sir, for civil services and assistant commandant and all the grade A services, which is one or the other way related to defense or the administrative sector.
Where did you do your 10th from? 12th you did from?
I have completed my class 10th from KV number 2, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, Udhampur, ma'am. In fact, my daughter was studied there in class 6. I was also posted there before coming to Pune. So your father was posted there.
Yes, sir, he was posted there back then in Air Force Station Udhampur.
Okay.
And like after that, he moved to Bangalore and we came to Dehradun for completing my
And what was the
education.
percentage in 10th, 12th, and that BSc and BTech? Just to know your
Okay, sir.
academic background.
So, like for my 10th percentage, that time CGPA was there, so I got 9.8 CGPA.
That is fairly good. So you convert to percentage, approximately it comes
So
to.
it's approximately 93.1% because they multiply the CGPA with 9.5.
Correct, correct. And 12th?
In 12th, I got 83 percentage, physics,
83.
chemistry, maths with computer science.
Okay, and the BSc?
In BTech, sir, I got the percentage of 8.23 CGPA, but thereafter it converted in the final semester till I got 9.17.
Okay, Akash, tell me one thing. You were at NDA when you did your, IMA when you did your 12th. So
Yes, sir.
you have all the more reason to apply for NDA. Why did not you choose to go through NDA rather than?
Definitely, sir. I chose like everybody, it's already written over there. Only Valiant and the young boys choose NDA. So other Valiant and young boys, I also wanted to join NDA, but the main barrier what I feel so was the written exam for the NDA.
And you had appeared for that.
Yes, sir, I appeared twice, thrice even for the written exams.
And each time you could not clear it.
Yes, sir. 2 times from Dehradun and 1 time from Kochi when I was in my BSc first year itself. But every time I felt like some or the another way I'm missing somewhere.
Okay.
So maybe because I was not aware like how to. Aware is not the correct word. I have not dealt it with the proper.
The preparation.
I have not given that the proper preparation for that particular thing. That's why I failed again and again. So in that way, like I have not appeared for it.
Okay.
And so, but in my mind, it was some time there. Like if I'll graduated, I'll go for Air Force or the CDS entry.
Okay.
Or any other way, like UES and something else.
Okay. And what is the father's reaction? Your father being a junior warrant officer in the Air Force and son clearing for the FCAT flying. I'm sure as a father and mother must be feeling very proud. Because I can relate to your story because my father himself was a junior commissioned officer in the army, Subedar Major Honorary Lieutenant. So I'm sure I can understand your father's pride in son making it.
Definitely, sir. Like he was the one who always used to motivate me. Like you can be an officer, you can be in the services. Like you have studied so well, you have a good grasp in the English and all those things. So he always used to motivate me. He used to keep check whether I'm studying or not.
Okay.
So these were some little things like every Fauji father used to keep a track on it.
And how did you prepare for your FCAT? You cleared your FCAT in your first attempt.
Yes, sir, I cleared my.
Clear it after having 3 times not clearing the NDA. So anyway, FCAT is relatively easy also, I think.
Yes, sir, it is definitely easy, sir. And I also cleared CDS, sir, both the times.
So you have one more interview in pipeline.
So I have 2 more interviews in the line.
Okay, which are those interviews?
So one of them is the OTA entry through CNET and another one is INET entry, sir.
Okay, for the Navy. And if you get into all 3 of them, hopefully you should. Which one would you prefer?
Sir, I'll go for Air Force only, sir, because right from the beginning I have seen and Air Force, like it's not like something superior. They are very complementary to each other, but what I feel,
and I'm sure flying is always thrilling as compared to other 2, but that's okay. That's a personal choice. Whether you join Army, Navy, Air Force, essentially you are serving the nation only. Now, Akash, tell me about your SSB preparation, because I'm very curious to know what made you choose Air Force to be videos over so many other videos. There are so many other videos. So what made you to connect with the Air Force videos, and how do you differentiate these videos as compared to other in terms, because my content is very different from other videos. So I'd like to know what made you click onto these videos, like your opinion.
Because like earlier, I don't have any like I don't have any procedure. How should I go for SSB? And there was no certain algorithm for that.
Yeah.
So I opted for YouTube. And one fine day, I was going through. So I got your video that Kadwa Sach and the Meetha Jhoot.
Yeah. I remember that. Huh?
So that was the first video which I have seen your video, Kadwa Sach versus Meetha Jhoot, and then the Bugs Bunny video.
Yeah.
So
Bugs Bunny मेरे को गालियां देता रहता था वो है.
yes sir, yes sir. So like the main thing what I have seen in your videos, it was the perfect amalgamation of Hindi and English. So
Yeah.
it generally gives a like जो लोग हिंदी ज्यादा बेहतर समझते हैं तो ये उन
कनेक्ट करने में ज्यादा आसान हो जाता है शायद. But there
It
is
is
a
a-
benefit to this. People from South say, ki, sir, please speak in English. But that's okay. I am otherwise from Kerala. But my Hindi is good because my education also, like you, was in KVs, various places. So I'm very good at Hindi. So I like the
Yes, sir.
combination of Hindi and English. And I feel Hindi mein I can express myself much better than English. So I like that
Yes, sir.
mixing. Yeah, you were telling about the videos ka difference. Yeah.
So the main thing about all your videos was that knowing yourself is the first thing while going to SSB rather than any current affairs or TAT, SRT or WAT thing.
Sure.
It's the first thing which I can say, if you know yourself, if you know your weakness, if you know your strength,
Absolutely.
and if you know the procedure,
Yeah.
then you can cater something good to the system. And it's not about the like whether you'll get through in the attempt or not, whether you will be conference out or screen out. But the main motive, like what I got from the videos was like cleaning yourself from inner side will make you a better person in your daily life as well.
Absolutely. मैं मतलब ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि suppose there is some guest visiting your house, you generally clean your house. In the same
Yes.
way, when you go into the SSB, it's a personality-based selection. So if there are some issues within you, you must identify that, correct it. So like you said very correctly, SSB का preparation का शुरुआत has to be from understanding yourself. And
Yes, sir.
unfortunately, आज वो पूरा environment ऐसा हो गया कि candidates are stuck in improving their psychological test का response. But जब तक खुद को नहीं करेंगे वो नहीं आएगा. So how did it help you in practical terms in understanding yourself? I'd like to know that.
Okay, sir. So the sir main thing was that like while filling the PIQ, I used to fill PIQ in my home.
Mhm.
So everybody wants to sugarcoat their PIQ,
Yeah.
like with their achievements,
Correct.
which are not in
Yeah.
their life.
Correct.
So first thing I made it very simple.
Mhm.
Like I written only those things which I have achieved in my life,
Yeah.
not anything which will be fancy and which will be look fancy to any interviewing officer or somebody else.
The problem with making your SD fancy as the PIQ fancy is that you may make it fancy. You can make it the most best PIQ, but it does not fit you because you have not actually done that. So how do you,
Exactly.
when you're questioned, you will not know what to explain. So it is better to be honest. And if you feel your
Yes, sir.
PIQ is weak, improve yourself as a person. So I think that is very nice key to keep your PIQ as honest as possible. So that
Yes,
there are
sir.
some-
Because what I feel, everybody commits so many mistakes. So do I. I have also committed a lot of mistakes. But the one thing is whether we are learning from those mistakes over a period of time or not,
Absolutely.
or we are like putting the stones unturned about all those things ki nahi, we can do it or aisa ho jayega, waisa ho jayega.
Now that's a very big thing. कि मतलब if you have made a mistake, उसको घबराने की जगह, if you can point out कि what happened, what went wrong, and do those correction, I think that's a better way of handling mistake than उसको
Yes, sir.
छुपा के गोलमोल करना. So that is very
And
good.
sir, I also have seen your once a video that ganne ka ras and the baas ka ras.
Not very many people like my videos because उसमें बहुत मैं harsh और कड़वा बोलता हूँ. Now that's unfortunately the system that has happened. आकाश अभी interview में जा रहे हो. You cannot become a bamboo, turn into a गन्ने का रस. You have to change yourself. लेकिन वो
Yes, sir.
problem with the changes की इसमें बहुत effort लगना पड़ता है. But then that's
Yes,
okay.
sir.
और आपका टारगेट भी बड़ा है, अगर एम भी बड़ा है तो उसको एफर्ट भी लगाना है. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो अनविलिंगनेस होने से वो फिर एफर्ट लगाना मुश्किल हो जाता है. वेरी हैप्पी कि तुम उन
Yes, sir.
वीडियोस का बीच का एसेंस निकाल पा रहे हो.
Yes, sir.
एंड क्या बोलते हैं, ओवरऑल हाउ मच टाइम यू स्पेंट ऑन बिल्डिंग अप योरसेल्फ बिफोर यू वेंट फॉर दिस एसएसबी? हाउ
So,
लॉन्ग
like,
थ्रू द वीडियो?
In the October's result came on 20th of October, and I chose the slot from 29th of March to 2nd of April.
Okay.
So it was fine 4, 5, 6 months
Okay.
between my SSB and in my written result.
Okay.
So the first thing which I worked upon really was that once like dealing with the daily life problems, earlier I was bit short tempered and
Okay.
not used to think rationally about the problem rather than emotionally.
Okay.
So I like disconnected that emotional part from my thinking skill.
Mhm.
So I made a perfect amalgam, like make it more rational about the life rather than emotional.
But
And
there has to be
since
a balance. मतलब घर में मतलब there has to be a balance between emotions or balance में. You cannot go on one extreme either side. So that
yes, sir.
understanding. Okay.
And the other thing about SSB, first thing I know, like I spent time knowing the system, what SSB is demanding from us,
Yeah.
rather than practicing about the solutions or the psychology or the GTO.
Mhm.
I just want to know which test wants which kind of quality from us.
ये कहाँ से
Like,
मिला तुम्हें? Where? How could you identify that? मतलब किस तरह से conclusion पे आए कि वो क्या है?
sir, I used to watch so many videos, so many recommended candidates, so many failed candidates. Even my friends used to give SSB on the regular basis.
Okay.
My school friends, college friends,
Okay.
they used to fail certain times. Some successful candidates from my college also, my
Okay.
senior.
Okay.
So then I come to know like it's not about how meritorious you are, how good you are in your sports, how good you are in GK. It's
Correct.
all about how clear about you are in your life and how good you are accepting your mistakes in life
ये बहुत important
rather
है.
than making it fancy.
Absolutely, ये बहुत important है because it is not about how intelligent are you or how academically brilliant are you. We are not looking for that. What we are looking for certain degree of balance. Like a table,
Yes.
जैसे एक टेबल होता है उसके 4 टांग होते हैं, तो वो चारों टांगों में एक certain degree of balance होना चाहिए, नहीं तो टेबल बड़ा unstable हो जाएगा. उसी तरह से we are neither looking for people with high brilliance, academic brilliance या intellectual brilliance. We are looking for people who are balanced in their physical domain, in their intellectual maturity, emotional maturity, and there's certain degree of value system. तो वो balance चाहिए. हमें कोई outstanding academician नहीं चाहिए. Current affairs का एकदम जैसे civil service का requirement हो, phenomenal requirement. ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. But somebody who is aware of what's happening, who has certain degree of analysis की in events का what are the impact, जैसा भी COVID चल रहा है या अभी जो second wave चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर अगर कोई opinion पूछे तो आपका एक independent opinion, कोई रटा
Yes,
हुआ
sir.
तोता type नहीं चाहिए.
Not be influenced with somebody like which will polarize the situation.
Polarize करने की जगह you can take a lot of input, but you must have your own balance in judgment. वो बहुत जरूरी है, and I can see that clarity in you. Just out of curiosity, if you've been watching my videos for quite some time, just out of curiosity, मतलब why you did not consider joining? Not no, good that you didn't join, since you could do that, but just out of curiosity, कि मतलब how could you decided not to join not only me, any other coaching, and do your self preparation, because that's very good for people who are doing their self preparation to be very clear ki karna kya hai. So I just out of curiosity want to know what made
the
you.
main thing was like in your videos, what I felt most of the things were crystal clear. In like in engineering, what we do, we used to watch the lectures.
Absolutely.
And grasp what we are like. We are just processing in our unit.
Absolutely.
So after processing the video, we found it like it is more than adequate to do it. If I can able to like put it on that particular day, so it is more than adequate.
Absolutely.
And I also have seen the videos of Dr. Manas K. Mandal, ex-director DIPR.
Correct.
He was talking about average officer, what an average officer they are looking in SSB.
Minds of the leader करके वो video है.
Yes, sir, minds of the leader.
I'll suggest all viewers जो भी देख रहे हैं इस video को, मैं उसका link इसके I button में दे दूंगा. Please watch that video. That will give you a lot of clarity. कि मतलब military leadership का there is a requirement, and that requirement cannot be met by writing TAT. You have to build up that capacity. And हो सकता है कि you may not get recommended because if अगर armed forces को तलवार बनाना तो उन्हें लोहा चाहिए, और हो सकता है आप कॉपर हो, तो कॉपर is a good metal, but it cannot substitute for steel. So understand, getting not
even my DSO said over there, like selection in the system is just like a Cinderella shoe.
Absolutely.
So if we are looking for a 7 number, UK 7, we will not take UK 8, UK 9, UK 6.
That's a job requirement. तो हम
That's the job
या
requirement.
तो वहां पे ये बहुत जरूरी है, जैसे आकाश ने बोला, टू अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ कि व्हाट इज योर एप्टीट्यूड, डू यू हैव ए मिलिट्री एप्टीट्यूड. हम वो बिना उस अंडरस्टैंडिंग के टीएटी में उलझ उलझ के छटपटाते रहेंगे तो इट विल नॉट कम. दैट क्लैरिटी जहां आया, यू एक्चुअली डोंट नीड कोचिंग. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोचिंग में ही अगर आपको थोड़ा भटका दे, देन इट बिकम्स वेरी
Yes, sir.
डिफिकल्ट. तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा आकाश तुमने ये जो बोला कि वीडियो का क्लैरिटी से ही विश्वास आ रहा है कि आई कैन बिल्ट अप. एंड
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारा आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि मतलब लैंग्वेज स्किल्स तुम्हारा ठीक ठाक ही है, तो कैसे वो मतलब इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ योर स्कूलिंग के कारण है या यू हैव सेपरेटली वर्कड ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल दैट्स अ इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट, उसके बिना स्टेज 1 में अटक जाते हैं लोग. तो हाउ
Yes,
डिड यू
sir.
वर्क
Like
ऑन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड डिफेंस रिलेटेड कंटेंट वगैरह में कैसे काम किया?
2015 when I reached Kerala, so English was the vital thing over there. Like
Yeah.
when you want to communicate with somebody else,
Yeah,
so
sir.
it's something like which makes a lot of obstruction between
Correct,
two
correct.
persons.
You mean
We
it is like a South Indian coming to North, उसको हिंदी मजबूरी में बोलना पड़ता है. तो
Yes, sir.
आकाश
तो मैंने भी मजबूरी में सीखी sir.
Absolutely, sir. That's मजबूरी का नाम महात्मा गांधी. So that actually added to your language.
Yes, sir.
And
And since
yeah,
फिर सर वहाँ पे 5 साल साउथ में गुजारे, 4 साल केरला में, 1 साल विशाखापट्टनम में.
survival was
it-
English.
So like down the line, I realized that I am speaking more than required.
Yeah.
So I,
मतलब
so
मजबूरी
like
से
I
काफी
worked on my
practice किया.
vocabulary over a period of time.
Absolutely. And how did you build up your defense related knowledge and current affairs वगैरह के लिए क्या सोर्स आपने यूज किया अपने आप को करने के लिए?
Sir, like
आपका तो सिविल सर्विसेज का भी एस्पिरेशन है, तो सिविल सर्विस में भी इसका बहुत जरूरी है, तो आपने स्टार्ट नहीं किया, बट सिंस यू हैव अ फ्लेयर फॉर सिविल सर्विस, आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव वर्कड ऑन दैट. So how did you
sir,
build up
like
your
for
current affairs?
all the defense knowledges, like what recently happening and what was the history of our Indian defense and how it evolved in certain operations.
Where
So
did
I
you,
used to.
what was the source? कहाँ से किया था?
Yes, sir. So mostly my sources are from internet itself. I used to find it like if I want to search about naval warship or the maritime boundaries which are India is sharing with other countries.
Okay.
So I simply put it on the Google and used to write the extract of the paragraph in 2-3 words or 2-3 lines,
Okay.
just like that.
Okay.
And I made my own notes about it, like defense strategy, then Air Force क्या procure कर रहा है, Army क्या procure कर रही है.
मतलब you
So-
worked on that, those areas. You have to work on that.
Yes, sir. Like even I was also interested in defense right from the beginning, so it never felt a burden on me कि मैं ये सब क्यों कर रहा हूँ.
तो उसको एक अलग सा एक मतलब मजबूरी की तरह नहीं किया. You were interested, so it
नहीं,
became
sir.
much more easier. And anyway,
Yes,
since
sir,
your
I just
father is
want to-
already in the Air Force, so certain organizational structure वो सब तो पहले से ही पता होगा, तो that would have added you.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
sure, I'm sure that would have helped you also in your process of interviewing the SSB.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir. I used to meet my father's superiors sometime, so they used to tell me how it like goes, what it
Okay.
takes.
Okay.
So I used to take it very positively and try to inculcate in my daily life how I can do it.
Okay. So Akash, that was about your preparation for the SSB interview. Now tell us something about your actual experience at the SSB. You went to one Air Force Selection Board, Dehradun. So when
Yes,
was
sir.
it and what was it? Stage 1 में कितने लोग आए थे? Just to give a overview कि क्या हुआ तुम्हारे साथ SSB and how did you get over all those stages?
Okay, sir. So, sir, my SSB was the holy batch, right from 29th of March to 2nd of April.
Okay, 29th of March to 2nd of April.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, like all of together, 204 candidates was there who reported
Okay, okay. For the stage 1.
for the stage 1.
Okay.
And out of that, 57 got screened in
Oh, 57. That's a pretty low figure that way.
and 2 got recommended, including me.
Oh, that's right. Who is the other person?
So he was also a fresher. He was chest number 10, Sanchit Verma.
Sanchit Verma. So, chalo, congratulations to Sanchit Verma also, who is your batchmate. So, out of 57, 204, 57 cleared the stage 1 and
Yes, sir.
2 finally cleared.
Yes, sir.
So, that is मतलब less than 1% हो गया 200 के अंदर में.
Yes, sir. AFCAT entry में तो sir reporting is around 250 sometimes. उस दिन होली थी तो शायद थोड़ी कम हो गई. What I believe.
Overall, can you explain me? मतलब can you just describe what was the environment in the stage 1 and तुम्हारी
Yes,
नजर
sir.
में why so many people could not clear it as per your assessment, because I'm sure after the results were declared,
What I
Yeah, and,
Yes, sir.
and also tell me ki what probably contributed in your clearing the stage one and getting into that 57 people who cleared the stage one. Just your
Sir,
assessment. Yeah,
yes, sir. I have like assessed it after coming back home. What were those crucial things which made me clear stage one?
stage one.
So
And
one thing,
also so many people not making it. तुम्हें क्या लगा
yes, sir.
होगा? कुछ अंदाजा तो लगा
Yes, sir.
होगा. Yeah,
So first thing was the officer intelligence rating test,
yeah,
OIR.
absolutely.
So definitely they have given us plenty of time to think over what it is. So we got OIR 53 and 55 from DIPR.
So set number 53 and 55.
Yes, sir, 53 and 55.
Uh-huh.
So the main thing I made it, I was as accurate as I possible. Like I used to practice 2 sets, one in the morning, one in the evening at home for
Where did
OIR.
you, where did you get those practice set from? OIR ka?
Sir, there is a book of SSB crack, sir.
Yeah, correct. SSB crack का वो book
So
मैंने भी देखा होगा.
20 verbal and 20 non-verbal है, 40 sets हैं सर उसमें.
Okay,
And sometimes online quizzes हैं OIR के grade up पे ऊपर.
Correct.
So I used to do all those things. So I prepared for OIR
Okay.
from last 1.5 months. Basically daily 2 sets, one in the morning, one in the evening, keeping an eye on time. Keeping an eye on time. Exactly.
Just to for the understanding of viewers, आपको set number 53 and 55 जो दिया उसमें कितना time दिया तो दोनों के लिए?
Sir, 27 minutes were given and 50 questions each were there, sir.
So 27 minutes for 50 questions.
Yes, sir.
So on the average यूँ समझ लो कि मतलब half a minute के ऊपर आपको एक वो करके निकलना पड़ेगा तभी आगे जाके cover होगा.
What I feel, because there was no watch in the hall, 27 minutes अगर आप वो कह रहे हैं तो 25 ही मान के चलो क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत
एक आध मिनट ऊपर रहता है. चलो 25 मिनट 26 मिनट भी पकड़ लिया तो 50 questions in 25 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And 30 seconds for each question.
Yeah. So you feel you've done very well in the OIR test because of those practice in the.
I felt like I have attempted only 46 in the both the sets, and I feel all of them were correct.
Okay. That's very good. That's there are no negative marking by the way in the OIR test.
Yes, sir. I was not aware actually, sir, that there was no negative marking.
So
that's why I left those four. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was doing good OIR. Next was your,
second thing was, sir, then we went to PPDT hall in the batch of 50 each. Correct. Since 204 candidates were there, so 4 times every batch went and see that picture. So the first thing was the briefing of psychologist over there. What he was briefing, most of the people were not taking care like what he was saying because everybody saying कि मैंने तो ये सब पहले किया हुआ है तो I can do it.
Yeah, this I will like to emphasize जो आकाश ने बोला कि because today internet का environment है या coaching वाले लेने के कारण candidate के mind में एक mindset है कि मेरे को तो ये सब आता है briefing की जरूरत नहीं है सीधा test कराओ. And this can actually hamper your work because आप briefing ठीक से नहीं सुनते हो. It is the conducting GT or psychologist in interview who will be assessing you. आप उन्हीं को अगर casualness में ले लोगे because you have been trained or coached by some place तो वो casualness आया था. It is like going into Pakistan and not being attentive तो आपको गोली लग जाएगा. ये बहुत सही point बोला है कि if you are not attentive to the briefing you will make mistakes. Absolutely बहुत important बात बोला है यार आकाश.
And sir, the main thing about those briefing that it shows like you need to mark the age, you need to mark the number of characters, you need to mark the protagonist or the hero you want to make it in the story.
Correct.
And there should be a particular position like in which frame you have seen those candidates and you should mark in that proper parallel thing in that box.
Correct.
And you need to put the action of the story as well.
Correct. What was the picture shown to you just for the
in my picture, there was a table. In the one side of table, an elderly woman was sitting, and on the other side of the table, a youngster girl and a youngster boy was sitting.
Okay.
So I made a picture on that, like that she was the HOD of the college.
Okay.
So she asked them to conduct a tech fest.
Okay.
And make assure that the freshers will also take part in the fest because in the earlier fest we have seen certain downfall in the attendance of the freshers.
So you created a college kind of a scene जहाँ पे एक
college kind of scene.
What was the dress that the HOD, the old lady was wearing? It was a formal dress.
So she was wearing a sari, sir.
Okay, and the other two, the young person.
The other two were wearing the pant, shirt, but
जो
one thing we
नॉर्मल
can figure out that one of them is a boy and another was a girl.
जो नॉर्मल आजकल के हिंदुस्तानी के कॉलेज का कंडीशन
College का जो attire है, they have worn those things
fine.
only.
So we will not discuss on the story that you're an unnecessary little bias it. Now, so story writing is one part. And the second part was discussion. So what was the condition, the discussion? You being a fresher, what was the kind of group that you had and what was the environment in the, that PPNGT?
So we got a group of 15.
One
So
time.
in SSB, Dehradun, they have made some huts which are in the open area in the GTO.
Okay, okay.
वो 5-6 झोपड़ियां जैसी हैं. So they have made a semicircular arrangement to sit the students
Okay,
in with the number order, and 3 SSS was there.
Okay.
So
So you were straight away taken into those huts, 15 बंदों को बैठा दो और एक SSR आ जाए. नहीं, एक नहीं, तीनों आएगा ना, 3 SSR.
3 SSRs थे, पर उनमें से एक ने they have briefed us what they want from this discussion and what is the what is the motive behind this picture perception and discussion test.
Yeah. Okay.
So since my phase 1 chess number was 42, so the group was from 40 to 55. So I was the third one who spoke, who narrated their story.
Okay, okay.
So I started my story without wishing somebody, like most of the people what have done, they said good morning gentlemen, this gentleman. So 10 seconds are already over in your narration period.
Yeah.
So I said, gentlemen, I have perceived 3 characters in the story of age so and so and action so and so. Then I moved to the crux of the story, the moral of the story.
1 minute you could comfortably complete it.
I completed in 40 seconds,
40
not 1 minute.
Yeah, so this is very important because if you cannot, communicate your story in 1 minute, including this number of characters, gender, age, mood, and all that, तो वो आपको कट कर देंगे. And when there is too much of a pressure in the sense कि the testing load ज़्यादा होता है, तो अगर आप ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो क्यों ruthlessly they'll cut you at, sometimes 50 seconds में भी काट देंगे. So it is always better that you practice it. And अगर उसमें आपका language control नहीं है to all the viewers, it will severely affect you because आपको 1 minute मिलता है. 1 minute में अगर आपको मतलब अपने आप को बोलने में, express करने में मुश्किल होता है, there is no point going to the whichever selection board. Akash, I want to know, in your group of 15 people, did you find some people who could not express themselves?
Yes, sir. The most of the persons who got screened out in my group, out of 15, only 3 got screened in from our group.
Yeah. So did you find people who could not communicate at all and they were sir hila ke aa gaye?
Yes, sir. They were there, sir. They were there in the span of those 45 seconds which were allotted to them to narrate their story.
They could not even speak.
What they had done, they said good morning and they just talked 2 or 3 lines and they just blabbering
Now this Akash ka, as a candidate ka experience hai, I as a GTO, since I've conducted so many PPNGT ka discussions given by GTO, I have seen candidates जो 1 minute बोलने के लिए ऐसे सिर करके बोलता नहीं, मुझे नहीं बोलना. मतलब he cannot even say I don't want to speak. He says सिर हिला के बोलता I don't want to speak. What is the point of going there? So if your communication skill is weak, so SSB ka selection ho ya na ho, you cannot even perform there.
Yes,
By having a good communication does not mean your personality is good. But without that communication, there is no question of expressing. So all the viewers who are watching here, who have poor communication skill or who are not comfortable with communication, even if you're good, you cannot perform. So Akash ka ye jo statement hai, कि 15 में से 3 लिया and most others could not express themselves properly. It is a issue. So I think all viewers take it seriously. अपने communication skill के ऊपर काम करना. Communication skill does not improve your personality. Maybe it improves you in your ability to express. But उसके बिना आप अच्छे भी हो, वो बाहर नहीं निकलेगा. So that is very important. आकाश, कोई वहाँ पे चिल्लाने वाली पार्टी भी थी तुम्हारे साथ?
Yes, sir. Like in discussion also. It happened. Most of the gentlemen over there, what they made a mistake, they have not perceived it properly that they were saying that there are 3 women in the frame, but they have missed that another guy was having a beard. So how a woman can have a beard? So
this Akash ka point is concerning your observational skill. In the one of the previous video, I have told ki matlab, before you perceive, you have to observe. Observation आंखों से होता है. अगर वहीं पे गलती हो गया तो naturally उसका अंदर का perception कहाँ से ठीक होगा? मतलब आंखों का input ही गलत हो गया तो फिर perception. तो अगर लड़की को लड़का देख रहे हो, it is an observational problem. Perception तो अंदर आएगा. सो अगर इन चीजों का ध्यान रखोगे तो लाइक आकाश ने बोला कि अगर ऑब्जर्व ही नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिर परसीव करने की बात तो क्या आ रहा है. सो दैट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज वेरी करेक्ट. आकाश, यस, कंटिन्यू.
And sir, in that group discussion, like in those early 40-45 seconds, people were fighting about the trivial thing. What is like, are they college student? Are they police? Are they something else?
Yeah,
So I said, gentlemen, please come to the crux of the story, or rather, we should discuss about the storyline,
correct.
not about the. We will discuss it over later. And then 2 or 3 people shouted like anything, like first we need to do this, and this is how we lost 4 or 5 minutes in our early discussion.
Okay.
But then again, I got a chance. I spoke 3 to 4 times about like, and whole group also got agreed. Even then, chess number 50 said with the common consensus, let Akash will do the common narration for the
You
group.
were nominated for the
Yes,
giving
sir.
a group solution.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was nominated. For,
You gave.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुआ, मतलब हार्ट बीट बढ़ा हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, कंफर्टेबल.
नहीं,
Yeah.
नहीं, sir.
So once you're
It was same like when I have narrated earlier, but I just put all those things like after the group consensus, we have come to a common story with serious changes and alteration.
I'm not talking about story. I'm talking about since this final group solution giving it to the SSS. तो तुम्हें कोई अलग सा दिल का धड़कन, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आया ना? You could express it properly.
No, sir. Everything was like earlier.
Yeah. So before we continue further, आकाश को एक सेकंड में, जो लोग स्टेज 1 क्लियर कर रहे हो, आपको एक चीज देखना, स्टेज 1 के देयर आर 4 स्टेजेस, जस्ट टू गिव यू व्यूअर्स एन आइडिया. सबसे पहला है OAR, सेकंड इज पिक्चर का परसेप्शन एंड पिक्चर का करेक्ट स्टोरी राइटिंग, द थर्ड इज 1 मिनट का नरेशन, एंड द फोर्थ इज डिस्कशन. ना आपको पता है डिस्कशन इनवेरिएबली मेसी हो जाता है, लाइक आकाश ने भी मेंशन किया. सो आपके पास हर चीज को अगर 1/4 लेते हो, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 एंड 1/4, तो ये डिस्कशन को अगर डिस्कार्ड भी कर दे, if you do well in OAR, if you do your story का picture perception and story writing properly, and if you're able to deliver it effectively and a good, a theme जिसके ऊपर वो है, तो discussion में even if it is little ऊपर नीचे हो जाता because of the fish market, you can still make it because 3-4 you've already done it. But if you mess it up your OAR, if you mess up your picture का perception, and if you're not able to communicate, then the 3/4 also you're damaged. So that is very, very important. And कि आप अपने उन चीजों को तो पहले ठीक करो जो आपके कंट्रोल में. Discussion invariably becomes a very, very fish market. So that point is correctly, conveyed आकाश ने, कि अपना OAR के ऊपर मेहनत करो, perception को ठीक करो, story writing, language, and that 1 minute का narration. बाकी discussion invariably वो fish market बन जाता. So that was about your stage 1. Now tell me about your main SSB, psychological test, GTO and interview. In nutshell, कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, and कैसे तुम्हारा experience था उसको, and how was this video based training help you to go through them?
So like on the second day, we had our psych test in the morning, 7:30 onwards.
Okay.
Then again, psychologist came. He said like there is no wrong and right answer in this whole series.
Absolutely.
So we just want to check your stimulus,
And
like how you will react. We'll give a stimulus to you,
okay,
and how you will react on it. There is something open-ended. Sometime you need to give conclusion. So it totally based on you how you will do it.
Absolutely.
Nothing is wrong. Nothing is right.
Okay.
Just try to do it as much as you can in that stipulated time.
Mm-hmm.
So like in TAT, what happened in the 6th picture came to me.
Mm-hmm.
So there was something like a test tube kind of thing, जो थोड़ा cigarette के जैसा भी लग रहा था. So he was just like उसको वो खाली कर रहा था, that guy who was in the frame. So I made a picture, like I made a story around the salt analysis of the more salt.
Okay.
So like most of the candidates, उन लोगों ने narcotics पे story बनाई. So I feel it's all about your observation, how you take it.
Okay. I don't remember having seen this picture while I was in the SSB. I understand. ऐसा लग रहा हो कि कोई test tube पकड़ा, it can be assumed as a cigarette also, शायद है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So sir, in the in TAT, I have written very short stories, not that much, like 70 words, kind of 70 words.
Okay.
उतनी मेरी writing थोड़ी बड़ी है, तो like that जो जगह उसके लिए दी होती है तो उसमें बस उतना ही आ पा रहा था.
Okay, मतलब A4 साइज का पेपर है, उसमें हाफ पेपर में एक स्टोरी लिखना
Yes
होता है.
sir, yes sir. Half paper में भी sir.
Any major problem you face in writing TAT? I always, मतलब मैं in my videos I've made a lot of emphasis in correct observation and you know, giving that right cause behind that situation. Or so any major problem that you faced in writing, or was it comfortable by and large? Was the time adequate for you to write?
So what I feel, time is adequate. Like if you'll get 10 minutes for that particular slide, then you will cook up a story which will not match to you. What
Yeah.
I feel. Then you will make everything favorable to you.
Yeah.
So those 4 minutes will make you write the truth. What I feel.
Yeah, because it is under pressure.
Then
Whatever is inside will come out. In fact, that's what
it will
the
come out.
psychologists want.
Yes, sir.
That is
So what I feel, like everything was like I have not taken pressure at any point of time in that psychology test because I had a good sleep of 6 to 8 hours and I was ready for this psychology test only. So I didn't find any problem. Though I found it bit challenging due to the time point of time because like we need to keep it very short and precise and need to explore more.
Like
about
you practice for OAR. No, you practice quite a bit for OAR. Similarly, did you practice for the psych test also at your room?
No, sir. I haven't practiced for it.
In the SSB, this was the first time where you wrote full-fledged test.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like OAR, you have not practiced.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Actually, 1 or 2 time practice is better because उससे आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि कितना प्रेशर मिलता है. So I think
yes, sir.
वो मतलब जैसे आपने OAR का किया उसी तरह से एक आध प्रैक्टिस कर लेते इवन अपने आप में तो आपको वो टाइम का अंदाजा और अच्छे से मिल सकता था.
तो पीपीडीटी की मैं करता था सर. पीपीडीटी की करता था तो फिर टीएटी आई थिंक इट उतना ही टाइम फ्रेम मिलता है.
नहीं, it is not about time frame उतना ही मिलता है, but there are 12 stories one after the other. That builds up pressure.
Yes, sir.
See, PPDT में it is only one picture, so for that you get 1 minute and then 4 minutes to write. But the TAT का problem है कि it is one after the other 12. That saturates your mind.
So the main thing, I have written a lot of things in these 6-7 months. So I had a habit to speed it according to that.
I just want to know, Akash, आज का जनरेशन आप लोग जो है, जैसे हमारे टाइम में तो इंटरनेट मोबाइल सब नहीं होता था, तो हम लोगों को बहुत लिखने की आदत होती थी. हम तो चिट्ठी लिखते थे, उस टाइम तो मोबाइल नहीं होता था. Today's generation, because of this technology, WhatsApp and all that, आपको वो writing skill छूटा हुआ है. I have seen the similar thing with the civil service candidates also, जिनके साथ करते हैं कि वो लिख नहीं पाते. वो प्रेशर आता है लिखने के लिए, लेकिन हाथ सपोर्ट नहीं करता. Did you feel that kind of a problem in your writing TAT stories and the entire psychological test? क्योंकि इतना intense writing short period में वो problem आया?
So definitely these kind of problem came because in our daily basis we don't make it ourselves in that particular time frame. हमें उतना लिखना ही है.
Yeah.
We used to write in our own comfort zone. So and one thing is that make it legible. The main thing is that वो ऐसा लिखना है कि सामने वाले को पढ़ने में भी आए.
मैं यहाँ पे एक बात बोलूंगा सभी व्यूअर्स को कि बिकॉज आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण कट पेस्ट कॉपी और वो LOL वाला लैंग्वेज हो गया, तो एक तो ये व्हाट्सएप एंड ये जो इंटरनेट का लैंग्वेज है वो नहीं यूज करना, एंड सेकेंडली थोड़ा सा राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करना है. नॉट TAT राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज वहां पे आपका माइंड लिखना भी चाहेगा तो हाथ सपोर्ट नहीं करता. I've seen many boys and girls from my batch only, जब उनको टेस्ट देते हैं तो सर हाथ थक रहा है, हाथ सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा, बिकॉज वो आदत छूटा हुआ है. आई थिंक टू दैट अमाउंट थोड़ा बहुत राइटिंग स्किल अपना प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो वो कोऑर्डिनेशन भी आएगा, स्पीड भी मेंटेन कर सकते हो. सो आकाश की बात अच्छी है कि उसने इनफैक्ट आई एम श्योर इंजीनियरिंग में आप लोग पढ़ते तो काफी काम किया होगा, बट वो गैप आ गया होगा. सो आई हैव सीन पीपल नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्फ फुली बिकॉज पेन से लिख नहीं पा रहे, बिकॉज आदत छूट गया. I don't know how much it is true for Akash, but I think this is a suggestion from my side. Now, Akash, tell me, psychological test mein, the other test, WAT, SRT, and self-description. Self-description, I'll take it. We have already discussed in the first part. I always mention about a thing about congruence, how one test is related to other, which unfortunately in the other videos that I also keep watching, कैंडिडेट्स के मन में एक ऐसा इमेज बना हुआ है कि TAT अलग है, WAT अलग है, SRT अलग है. ये एक्चुअली अलग नहीं है. दे आर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ योर ओन थिंकिंग एंड दे मस्ट मर्ज इनटू वन. सो व्हाट यू claim in your SD must be seen in your TAT, WAT, SRT. Congruence. So just explain me through those videos of A4SOP, what did you understand by the concept of congruence? I keep emphasizing it
Yes, sir.
कि आप जो सोचते हो, जो बोलते हो, जो करते हो, वो एक होना चाहिए. And
Yes, sir.
वो उस point of उससे क्या आप समझे उन वीडियो से?
Sir, like these things, like even at the board, one selection, one FSB, it is written like Mansa Vacha Karmana Ekam. So one thing which I like got about intra-technique congruence,
Yeah.
which you talked about in your videos,
Intra-technique
is
as well as inter-technique.
inter-technique congruence, both the congruence.
What did you understand? मुझे वो थोड़ा बताओ. Out of my curiosity, I want to know.
Okay, sir. The congruence, which I feel, it's just the same reservoir
Yeah,
where you have water,
absolutely.
and there are three outlets to go in
Outlets to
three
go.
different ways.
Absolutely.
But the water is same down the line.
Absolutely. बहुत
So
अच्छा
it should
example.
be. So it is just like if we work on that water reservoir rather than working on the pipes.
पाइप तो उस पानी तो जो सोर्स है वही साफ हो गया तो पाइप से अच्छा है.
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
अच्छा एग्जांपल
तो-
दिया. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा आकाश, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे लोग सुनते नहीं है. तुमने ये सब वीडियो से सुन के सुना, बड़ा अच्छा लगा. The point is कि the Mansa from where the TAT is coming is the same Mansa from where the WAT is coming, is the same Mansa from where the SRT is coming, and is the same Mansa which claims in his SD कि ये मेरे strength है और ये मेरे weakness है. So if
Yes, sir.
आकाश claims कि मैं एक obedient बेटा हूँ घर में, इसका मतलब है आप अगर वो claim कर रहे हो तो कागज का हीरो जो बेटा बनेगा वो भी obedient ही आएगा, because उसकी सोच आपकी सोच से निकल के आ रही है.
Yes, sir.
मतलब आपका जो TAT का हीरो है या हीरोइन है, they are कठपुतली of your own mind.
Yes, sir.
So अगर आप सही सोचोगे तो वो सही करेंगे,
Yes, sir.
है ना. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा आकाश, कोई तो मेरी बात को समझ के बोल रहा है कि सर जब पानी का रिजर्वायर ही एक है, अब उस रिजर्वायर में TAT का बकेट डाल दो, WAT का डाल दो, GTO का डाल दो, पानी तो वही निकलना चाहिए. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली पानी वही निकलता नहीं है. तो आई वांट टू रीएम्फसाइज हियर, जो आकाश ने बात बोला कि आपको एक चीज समझना है, TAT, WAT, GTO, दे आर ऑल बीइंग कंडक्टेड सेपरेटली, बट अल्टीमेटली दे ऑल मस्ट मर्ज एंड बिकम वन.
Yes, sir.
लाइक अगर आपका मोटरसाइकिल को मैं खोल दूं, आपके मोटरसाइकिल के सारे हिस्से पुर्जे खोल दूं, तो ऑल पार्ट्स आर सेपरेट, बट अल्टीमेटली वंस आई रिकनेक्ट देम, यू नो, उसको दोबारा जोड़ने से आई शुड गेट द मोटरसाइकिल बैक.
Yes, sir.
That will only happen when each parts are interconnected and interdependence is understood. So SD, TAT, WAT, they are all linked. And जब उसको एक connected prism से देखते हैं तो they all must merge into one. That's Akash. और उसकी शुरुआत होगी when Akash understand himself. So बड़ा अच्छा example दिया तुमने. And I'm very happy. कोई तो मेरी बात समझ रहा है. Thank you for that.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
good. So let's come to GTO. I was myself a GTO. So 2 days of GTO test. Tell me your experience there.
So like my first time, on second day psychology happened. On the third day interview was there, and on the fourth day GTO was there.
GTO was there for एक 1 day testing था या 2 दिन के अंदर हुआ था?
सर एक ही दिन में ही कराया था सर. सुबह 7 बजे से शुरू हुआ, 4 बजे तक.
Okay, so again, before you start, Air Force में they have single day testing for GTO sometimes they do it 2 times also. Single day का मतलब है एक दिन में फर्स्ट टास्क से लेकर 9 तक, मतलब GD, GP, PGT, FGT तक पूरा का पूरा एक दिन में. It becomes extremely taxing also. But
Yes,
उनका
sir.
वो है, so I'll request you to kindly share your experience of your GTO and कैसा था ग्रुप और क्या एक्सपीरियंस था.
सर like for the GTO, अगर मैंने साइकोलॉजी इंटरव्यू के लिए थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा था, GTO के लिए I was not aware like how to do it exactly. I have not seen the Pattavalli videos which were over there, and I don't know exactly what to do.
Okay.
But so our GTO came, he was very cordial. He informed us what the procedure is all about, how he'll go to test us.
Okay.
And then our first task was a group discussion. So he gave us a topic, how India will develop. He gave us 3 leads, through military, through regional influence, or third was the diplomacy.
Okay.
So I spoke on it 7-8 times. Like I spoke the importance of diplomacy, because I felt like diplomacy is the bridge between the regional influence and the military in that particular region. So I have given the I have given the example of Milk Tea Alliance, like recently जो हांगकांग में,
करेक्ट करेक्ट, हाँ,
yes sir, तो वहां पे हुआ, उसके बारे में मैंने बताया. Then I also have given how इंडिया को कैसे बिजनेस मिला अच्छी डिप्लोमेसी से, because if you will get business then you can feed your military.
करेक्ट.
If अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो how you will run your GDP? So
Akash, before we go into further, तुमने other than your military awareness, you have updated your current affairs also.
yes sir, I have like given the examples which are there in the recent times or in the
मुझे
1 year.
आकाश एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगा, just to expand to our what we are discussing. In your group of 10, were there people who came without the knowledge of current affairs?
Sir, in the group of 8, since we had a group of 8, like most of the people, they are very good in speaking English.
Yeah.
But the content was very less. Like
yeah, बिल्कुल आकाश.
they were keep repeating like the single point.
Let me tell you viewers, जो आप बोल रहे हो आकाश इस बात को देखो, knowing English is not communication. Knowing English is only भाषा, एक माध्यम है अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए. तो अगर आपके पास अवेयरनेस नहीं है, इंग्लिश है, तो आप उस इंग्लिश से बोलोगे क्या? लाइक आकाश को अगर इंग्लिश अच्छा है लेकिन उसको अवेयरनेस नहीं, तो उस इंग्लिश के थ्रू बोलेगे क्या? तो आपके कम्युनिकेशन में खोखलापन आ जाएगा. यू मे बी गुड इन योर इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, बट वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द मैसेज दैट यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग. उसके लिए आपको सब्सटेंस चाहिए, और जितना डेप्थ होगा, डेप्थ मतलब डेप्थ एंड ब्रेड्थ ऑफ नॉलेज, उतना आप इफेक्टिव हो जाओगे. आकाश, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन कि तुमने क्यों बोला कि 8 में से 6 लोगों को ऐसे बार बार वही ऊपर ऊपर से घूम रहे थे करके?
Sir, like they know what the military is, they know what the diplomacy is, but they don't relate it with the recent times, what it is happening in the current scenario.
Absolutely. इसके लिए आपको अपने आप को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. प्लीज डू नॉट थिंक कि 2-2 मिनट में आई एग्री विथ यू, लेट्स कॉपरेट बोलने से काम चल जाएगा. अगर आपके अंदर कंटेंट में डेप्थ है, आप 2 बार बोलोगे, तो हिंदी में कहावत है 100 सुनार का 1 लोहार का.
Yes sir.
तो जैसा भी आकाश ने बोला कि सर मैं तो पूरा अपडेट करके गया हुआ था, पढ़ता हूँ, समझता हूँ. क्या व्हाट वर सोर्सेस, कहाँ से किया था ये सब?
Sir, generally I have a Hindu app in my phone.
Okay.
Like mostly like Hindu newspaper doesn't come on the time. Like अगर वो 8 बजे चाहिए तो नहीं आ पाता है, तो I used to keep it with the digital version of the Hindu. Okay. And sometime I used to watch the YouTube channel like Study Funda, Study IQ.
Yeah.
So they used to give the crux of what is required.
Study IQ, I think it is a good channel because वो IAS के लिए कराते हैं, तो उसमें अगर वो टॉपिक को लेते हैं, वो they are very updated है. उसी तरह से इनफैक्ट मैं तो अपने बच्चों को एक GS खान रिसर्च एकेडमी करके भी आता है.
Yes sir, GS खान. Yes sir.
और ये बिहार का बंदा है, खान सर करके, बड़ा पॉपुलर है. इनफैक्ट उनका रेटिंग,
he hails from Patna.
He hails from Patna. I think he's an ex SSB recommended candidate है, शायद मेडिकल में उनका हाथ चला गया था. तो आई रिकमेंड ऑल व्यूअर्स जिन लोगों को लैंग्वेज में प्रॉब्लम है, इंग्लिश में समझ में नहीं आता, तो GS खान रिसर्च करके एक है, थोड़ा भोजपुरी भाषा में बोलता, बट ही इज वेरी नॉलेजेबल एंड हिज वीडियोस आर एक्सट्रीमली गुड. मतलब आई माई सेल्फ वॉच हिम एंड बड़ा ह्यूमरसली बोलता है. And I'll suggest you to watch that, and also Study IQ is a good platform to get all those information.
Yes sir.
कुछ और चैनल बोलना तो जो मुझे पर्सनली अच्छा लगता है, एक बियॉन्ड करके, वर्ल्ड इज वन करके एक है चैनल. आई डोंट नो आकाश, यू आर फेमिलियर, दैट इज गुड. एंड एक मेरे को द प्रिंट करके भी एक आता, द प्रिंट.
Yes sir, I used to watch it from the
प्रिंट पे थोड़ा सा कभी कभी बायस हो जाता है कभी कभी, बट दैट्स ओके. दीस
main the fact about the today's current affairs या आज का मीडिया, so they have bifurcated the media into 2 streams, जो सब जानते हैं,
तो सब जानते हैं. तो उसमें आपको थोड़ा बैलेंस रखना पड़ता है, और वो बैलेंस रख के अगर आप उसको कर लो तो बहुत सोर्सेज की कमी नहीं है, विलिंगनेस है. विलिंगनेस चाहिए, विलिंगनेस होगा तो यू कैन बिल्ड इट, एंड वो आपके परफॉर्मेंस में इतना निखार लेके आ जाएगा, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर कंटेंट, कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप आता है. तो मैं तो बोलता हूँ कम्युनिकेशन इज योर बंदूक एंड कंटेंट इज योर गोली. सो आकाश ने बहुत अच्छा बात बोला. या आकाश कंटिन्यू, बाकी बताओ जीटीओ में क्या हुआ?
तो सर फिर ग्रुप डिस्कशन हो गए सर, दोनों दे वर सेम, लाइक एक जेनरिक था, एक करंट था, तो दोनों पे आई स्पोक 4-5 टाइम्स. देन जीपी ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज केम इनटू प्ले. सो देन फर्स्ट थिंग अबाउट द जीपी इज first hear what the problem is all about, then prioritize your problem according कि हम क्या चीजों को पहले रख सकते हैं, कौन सी प्रॉब्लम को पहले सॉल्व करना है, कहाँ ज्यादा बंदे भेजने हैं. So it's all about
So तुम्हारा
लोग
कोई आकाश कोई before going for SSB there was no preparation because since you have not.
No, sir, for GTO, sir,
कुछ
I
भी
was
नहीं
not
किया।
aware.
तो
नहीं सर
दोबारा
मेरे को
या दोबारा व्यूअर्स के लिए बता रहा हूँ, कोचिंग इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, कोचिंग विल ओनली गिव यू प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइडेड दे आर गिविंग इट, मतलब वरना वो मास्किंग बड़ा होता है। अगर उसके बिना अगर आपको एक जेनरिक क्लैरिटी है, वेयर एवर देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, जैसे जीपी में लाइक आकाश ने बोला प्रॉब्लम, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर योर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल। और मैं जस्ट टू एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ टेकिंग सम टाइम, ग्रुप जो जीटीओ टास्क है उसमें हम क्या देख रहे हैं, यू एज ए इंडिविजुअल योर एबिलिटी टू फंक्शन इन ए ग्रुप।
Yes, sir.
Akash ka ability to function in a group. So we are not testing the entire group. We are testing individuals in context of a group. और अगर आकाश ने रेकमेंड होना तो आप आकाश ने अपने परफॉर्मेंस को उठाना पड़ेगा। That you can only do it when you work on your own self. अगर आप अपने सेल्फ पे नहीं काम करोगे और ग्रुप में बैठ के भेड़ चाल में फंस जाओगे तो योर ग्रुप में बी गुड बट योर परफॉर्मेंस में नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेबल। तो याद रखना, it is testing of individuals in context of a group. आकाश समझ में आ रहा है? So if you have understood कि यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है तो आइडेंटिफाई करना, वो प्रायोरिटाइज करना है, this is your individual performance in context of a group. तो जितना आप SSB का एक्सपेक्टेशन को समझोगे और अपने गैप को ब्रिज करोगे उतना योर एबिलिटी टू फंक्शन विल इम्प्रूव। ये बात अगर समझ में आता तो यू कैन फोकस ऑन डेवलपिंग योर ओन सेल्फ। एंड नाउ लेट्स कम टू दिस पीजीटी, HGT, कमांड टास्क एंड फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क, जो कि प्रैक्टिकल वर्क पट्टाबल्ली वाला टास्क है। आई एम श्योर तुमने उसको किया भी नहीं है ना, मैंने उसके ज्यादा वीडियो डाले, बिकॉज़ माय कॉन्सेप्ट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस। तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा सब बोलता हूँ लेकिन डाला कुछ नहीं है। तो आई विल लेट यू नो हाउ डिड यू हैंडल दोस 4 tasks
Sir, in the PGT, then he asked about, then GTO told about the 5 rules: rule of infinity, rule of the rigidity, rule of the group, rule of the color. So definitely I have listened all those things. In the first 2 obstacles, I was figuring out how to tackle those things. I was just simply like with the group.
Observing क्या हो रहा है इधर है?
Yes, sir, I was just an observer for 20 odd minutes. Then I realized how to put fatta, balli. And then what is the principle of all these things? Like sometimes
why it is working.
Yeah, why it is working and how to work with that and how to. Then I assessed. Then in the third obstacle, I contribute 10%, I can say, not more than that. But I used to follow the demand of the group. Like if they were saying like you need to hold that load, I was holding the load. If they were saying like I need to put the rope here, I was putting the rope, or I was tying the rope with best of my capabilities. So I was never a burden on the group. But definitely I was not the star of the group. I was somewhere in the down, but I was just managing how to do it. So in the same thing happened in HGT. So it is a half group task. Only 4 people are left.
Has been divided into half. Yeah.
So my problem was not the number of candidates. My problem was how to tackle that thing. Like
yeah, यहाँ पे आकाश को मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टॉप करके I'd like to add something. You know, ये जो 4 टास्क बोले, PGT, HGT, कमांड टास्क एंड फाइनल ग्रुप टास्क, इस टास्क में प्रैक्टिकल टास्क है, स्टार्ट लाइन, फिनिश लाइन, यू क्रॉस. The whole thing is happening at 2 levels. At one level, somebody has to create the idea, and the second level, that idea has to be executed on the ground. Executing on the ground is number 2. First is creation of idea, and creation of idea has to be happen within you, inside you. अगर आपके पास पट्टा बल्ली है, रिसोर्सेस है, लेकिन वो आइडिया जनरेट नहीं हो रहा, तो यू विल हैव टू लुक लेफ्ट एंड राइट फॉर दैट आइडिया. तो एक चीज है, आज अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो एम्फेसिस ऑफ ट्रेनिंग है वो एग्जीक्यूशन पे हो गया कि फट्टा उठा लो, रस्सी बांध लो. लेकिन ये फट्टा उठाना, रस्सी बांधना विल ओनली हैपन वंस द आइडिया इज क्रिएटेड. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक्सटर्नल रिसोर्सेज के ऊपर ज्यादा एम्फेसिस है बजाय कि इंटरनल रिसोर्स. तो जो यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस की बात हम बोलते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस में क्या है, आइडिया क्रिएशन जब आपके पास होता है तो आपके पास एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया था, मेरे पास आइडिया है. एंड इफ यू हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, all you need to do is to communicate to people who have got the outer resource. तो आपके अंदर एक छटपटाहट खत्म हो जाएगा, फिजिकली जाके उसको करने का मौका मिला तो कर लो, नहीं मिला तो इंटेलेक्चुअल. तो आपका जो जीटीओ में है, 3 लेवल पे आप कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हो. 1 इज इंटेलेक्चुअल कंट्रीब्यूशन, मतलब बुद्धि के स्तर पर. सेकंड इज भावना के स्तर पर, भावना मतलब इमोशनल कंट्रीब्यूशन, हाउ डू यू रिलेट विथ ईच अदर, टीम में काम कर सकते हो नहीं है। थर्ड इज द स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी बोलते हैं, इसका मतलब है कि आपका बिहेवियर के कारण ग्रुप टूटना नहीं चाहिए, या ग्रुप का फंक्शनिंग में, इट्स कॉल्ड इफेक्टिव लेवल ऑफ फंक्शनिंग जो ग्रुप का होता है, वो डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए। तो जब तक आप इन तीनों के अंदर फिट आ रहे हो कि आप दिमाग से भी कर सकते हो, फिजिकल लेवल पे भी मदद कर सकते हो, इमोशनल लेवल पे भी टीम को जोड़ के रख सकते हो, और कोई ऐसा बिहेवियर ना करो जिससे ग्रुप आपसे टूट रहा हो, यू आर फेयरली गोइंग वेल। बट अगर आप दिमाग यूज ना करके सिर्फ बल के भरोसे पे करोगे, वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। सो दैट बैलेंस, सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट तुम स्टार थे या इट्स नॉट अबाउट तुम जीरो थे, इट्स अबाउट हाउ वेल यू आर एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट एट मल्टीपल लेवल्स, फिजिकल, इंटेलेक्चुअल, इंटरपर्सनल एंड स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी।
Yes, sir.
तो वो तुम्हें एकदम समझ में नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज देयर आर द इंटरफेस ऑफ द असेसमेंट, बट एज अ कैंडिडेट यू डोंट हैव टू बॉदर। आपको क्या करना है, मेरा टास्क है, ये मेरा ग्रुप है, ये मेरे साधन है, हमने मिलके इस टास्क को करना है। दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आपको किसी के ऊपर स्टेप करके अपने आप को ऊपर करने की जरूरत
Yes.
नहीं है। दैट स्पिरिट के साथ जब आप करोगे, इट डज नॉट मैटर लोड तुम्हारे हाथ में। प्रॉब्लम तब है जब लोड भी हाथ में और दिमाग भी यूज नहीं करे, देन गड़बड़ है। जब तक आपका इंटेलेक्चुअल एंगेजमेंट है, perfectly fine. So,
Yes.
so Akash, it's not about star performance. It's about what are you contributing.
Yes.
यज्ञ है, यज्ञ हो रहा है, यज्ञ में पंडित जी जो स्वाहा बोलता है, तो आपको स्वाहा डालना है, वो स्वाहा में आप क्या डाल रहे हो, सबने मिलके यज्ञ करना है। So that ability to function in a team is important, and within that group आप intellectual contribution कैसे कर रहे हो, है ना आकाश। तो यू मे नॉट रियली अंडरस्टैंड कि असेसमेंट कैसा हुआ होगा, लेकिन आप अपने परफॉर्मेंस को थोड़ा बहुत गेज कर सकते हो।
Yes, sir.
टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर कमांड टास्क। कमांड टास्क में क्या हुआ?
Sir, then like GTO first called chess numbers according to the feasibility of it,
Yeah.
like what he want. Then he called me. He just asked me some brief talks. What your hobbies? I said I used to do shayari.
Okay.
So he asked. So he said okay. Then he asked me something about my school, college, just to make me relax.
Mm-hmm.
Then he asked me like how many subordinates you want. I said I just want 2 subordinates, which is the trend over there. Only 2,
Yeah.
2 लोगों के साथ हो जाता है. So then I called those 2 chess numbers with the feasibility of task. Like I want 2 light-weighted people, so I called the feasible chess numbers for that. Then he gave me a condition like there is a fragile load. You need to cross with this load along with your like both the subordinates. So since the time allotted for the command task was 15 minutes, so we need to do. So in the meantime, sometime GTO pressurized with me saying 4 minutes left, 5 minutes left. But I was working on my task like to revive my both the subordinates along with the load I need to cross from A to B. So that's what I have done.
In the execution, did you face any problem in terms of creation of idea?
Yes, sir. Like one time when I tried it to put a fatta or balli, he said this part is yellow now. What you will do? So he said like this is out of bound for the objects.
Yeah, yellow color in the A4. Sometimes in some of the Air Force academies, blue की जगह yellow use करते हैं, where the restriction is that you can touch it, the helping material cannot touch it. So,
but helping material cannot touch it. So he said like this, that the interjecting point between the 2 is yellow now. What you will do?
जो भी उसको किया, you could do that.
Yeah, but I have done that, sir.
Physically, as a Fauji's son, I don't think you would have had much problem in the individual obstacle, and the group obstacle is हुआ था Air Force में.
Yes, sir. Individual obstacle was there, sir, and like what I feel, these obstacles are more like they are more realistic and more tough as compared to like only
Air Force के कुछ obstacles are different from the Army and Navy का. Army and Navy is
yes,
something what DIP has told, but Air Force has done some local modification to them. और लटकने वाला टायर वो सब डाला हुआ शायद उन्होंने.
Yes, sir. Then tire is there, and then there is not a L-shaped thing. There is a specifically about 4 feet above the ground. There is a balancing beam.
Okay.
They have put a balli on it, and we need to cross it by walking.
Yeah, they have made some changes to that, so that I'm sure some of the videos in the YouTube is available. Now tell me something, Akash, तुम्हारे साथ में GTO में कोई प्रीवियस कहीं और से कोचिंग लेने वाले कैंडिडेट वगैरह भी आए होंगे, आए थे?
Sir, what I feel, GTO can easily identify that which candidate is coached with it, which is not.
Why do you say that? Why do you say that?
So I can see like people are taking charge in the mid of the task and they were knowing 4 different ways to do that particular thing. So like they were easily knowing like where they can put a cantilever and they can make a fulcrum and they can do it. So it's there in their language, because fulcrum is something which is a very technical word.
Yeah.
If somebody is doing a BA political science or BSc, he might not be aware about what the fulcrum is all about. Definitely I was an engineer, but
not only the language tells you, in each of these tasks there is a level of difficulty. For example, अगर progressive group task है, the first task, the second task, the third task, as the task moves forward, the level of difficulty बढ़ता जाता है. What does it mean is कि जैसे जैसे level of difficulty बढ़ता है, वैसे your application of intelligence ये भी बढ़ना चाहिए. But when you have familiarity with the structures, जहाँ पे बहुत coaching करके आपको structures के ऊपर खूब काम कराया जाता है, तो आपको क्या होता है, when the moment you get those structures familiar, तो आपका speed of creation of idea becomes abnormally high, because आपको फटाक से आना शुरू होता है. और उसी जगह में उससे lower task में when you are not familiar, you find you're stuck. या GTO का भी color change कर दिया, blue कर दिया, then suddenly it collapses. So there are multiple ways in which it can be found out. It is the quadratic equation है. Quadratic equation in 1 dimension, 2 dimension, nth dimension. अब आप कोर्स जो तो कभी कभी nth dimension को first dimension के स्पीड से करते हो, तो हमें भी ये लगता है कि कहाँ से आ गया आइडिया, because there is an inconsistent pattern of your behavior. Then like you said, your language is very different. Let's make cantilever, fulcrum बनाओ. This is not a common language. Then sometimes the way you tie the rope, those knot, जिस तरह से आप वो knot बना रहे हो, they are extremely complex knot जो कि mountaineering या disaster management वाला जानते हैं. तो एक normal आदमी हम लोग क्या बांधते हैं, जैसे गाय को बकरी बांधते, shoelace बांधते, वो जो knot बांधते हैं उल्टा पुल्टा करके, उसी से पता चल जाता है these are abnormally, मतलब एक common आदमी बांध ही नहीं सकता. तो वो indicators होता है, उससे problem नहीं है. Problem तब है when we lower the level of the problem or increase the level of the problem. उस टाइम जब आप appropriate problem solving नहीं दिखाते हो, that shows there is a gap between occasional high level of performance and जब उसको change किया तो आप उससे idea ही नहीं आ पा रहे. So there are multiple ways of doing that, so that's good. Now come back to your interview. How was the interview?
Sir, like my interview last for 40-45 minutes. Okay. It was there on the 3rd day of the SSB. Okay. And like by looking the officer, he was very like senior in the age and the rank. Okay. Later came to know that he was a group captain rank officer. Okay. So like it's all about the PIQ what I have filled on the first day after screening in. So interview was PIQ based. Though he asked me about my hobby, that was shairi. He asked me to recite some of the shairis. Okay. So I recited the shairis. So sir, like specifically he asked me कि अगर तुम्हारा इस बार नहीं होता है तो क्या करोगे? तो I said कि क्यों डरें, जिंदगी में क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा.
शायरी सुना दिया. अच्छा.
So okay. I recited 3-4 shairis. He specifically asked me to recite the shairi of Mir Taki Mir. So I recited shairi, 2-3 shairi of that particular poet. Achha. And then he came to those CIQs. Okay. Because shairi was something which is not very common nowadays as a hobby.
Yeah, I wanted to know कि तुम्हारा interest कहाँ से आ गया शायरी में? क्योंकि आजकल like, हनी सिंह के गाने सुनते हो आप लोग?
Sir, like my interest came right from back when I was in class 11, 12th, and in engineering I used to listen. Okay. Ustad Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab, and then some qawwalis, and then I developed a what I can say, a point of reference how shairi comes in your daily life and make you effect for long life.
Yeah, so engineering में भी stress relief के लिए काम आया होगा जब थोड़ा pressure.
Yes sir, I have also recited in my foundation day. Okay. And like it gave me a confidence, like I can talk with the people. Okay. Even I can make shairis on that particular situation sometimes. So it makes me more robust in the mind, makes me more cool sometime. So
Okay, let's come back to our interview. So how was your interview in terms of that response to that CIQ question? तुम्हें वो CIQ को retain करने में problem हुआ या were you comfortable? How was the cross questioning ये जो probing होता है and what level of probing was done और कहाँ पे अटके? What were the major challenges that you felt? And if you have to, anyway you're cleared. अगर आपको अपना interview को और बेहतर करना हो तो कहाँ पे ऐसा लगता था कि you could have worked?
sir, the main thing, like after 4 5 minutes, interviewer started the CIQ. Like I'll be interested to knowing your place of birth, origin, and all those things.
Yeah.
So, like he put like as far as I remember, he put 16 to 17 question in the first CIQ,
Okay.
and then I started like giving the answer in that particular fashion and the sequence for up to 10 to 11.
Okay.
Then I found what was the sequence. Then I said, sir, can you please repeat the leftover questions?
Yeah.
So
मुझे आकाश एक चीज बताना कि CIQ question is available in the public domain. In fact, viewers के लिए 200 की want the complete set of CIQ question. It is available in the A4SOP का official Telegram channel. You can take it from there or you can WhatsApp me. You're familiar with the CIQ questions?
yes, sir. I was like, I can say I was familiar about the CIQ, but the main thing, like over familiarity damage us in some time. Like we need to cram those answers, like your marks, but sometimes we cannot match with the given CIQ, and it made a problem with us. Like if you are a good listener, half of the job is already done. If
There
you
are
can
two
retain
things. Not only one, you have to be good listener. Second is SSB का interview is absolutely based on your past life. आपका
Yes, sir.
academic life, personal life, your hobbies and interests. So the more you understand yourself, the more easier it becomes to deliver your work. तुमने तो सिर्फ तुम तो FSU के videos देखे. Those who will come for the SML class, we have a module called Zohari window, lifeline analysis and SWOT analysis, जहाँ पे पूरा date of birth से लेके तुम्हारा सब हर domain को हम पूरा उसको खेत को जैसे खोद देते हैं ऐसे खोद देते हैं, and the entire thing is there in the form of a picture to you. So
सर जुआरी विंडो के बारे में सर मैंने जानता हूँ सर मैं
yeah, correct. And Zuari window को अगर आप जानते हो तो Q3 के अंदर घुसते हो. Q3 is your hidden area because see whatever is good in your Akash life you will have no problem in sharing. The problem of sharing is the dark side of your life. So they will like to find out those areas of your personality which you're wanting to hide. मतलब there is two sides of the coin. One is you want to show. The second is which you don't want to show. And they want to see that.
Yes,
मतलब आप जो दिखाना चाहते हो वो नहीं देखना चाहते, वो देखना चाहते हो जो आप छुपाना चाहते हो. तो the only way you can prepare for that is by knowing yourself first. Like आकाश ने बोला कि SSB की शुरुआत TAT WT से नहीं है. It is knowing the self. And SSB का interview can become perfectly a very compatible interview if you know yourself well. So yes, आकाश, now you can tell कि मतलब CIQs में कहाँ पे अटके और क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग क्या हुआ और किस लेवल तक हुआ, कहाँ तुम्हें लगा कि गड़बड़ किया है या क्या लगा?
Sir, like he asked me, what is the deepest fear of yours?
Okay.
So I said, not making into the SSB in some times. This will be the deepest fear of mine.
Okay.
Because in these 4-5 months, I got too attached to this process that I just want to be succeeded. मेरे को ये पता ही नहीं था कि fail होना कितना disgusting हो सकता है या कितना disastrous हो सकता है. जाहिर है कि I should also have prepared for failing myself.
Yeah, that was the next question कि तुम्हारा ये जो deepest fear अगर SSB का failure है तो तुम्हारे अंदर वो recommendation होने के लिए छटपटाहट तो नहीं था?
नहीं sir, it's not about like that, but like if you are making yourself in the 4-5 months in that particular zone, like if you are preparing for something, it's not about the recommendation wala chatpatat. Sometimes it questions your efficiency कि अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 20 घंटे लिए हैं तो क्या इसका मतलब क्या है? Like what is the output?
Yeah, आकाश का इस पॉइंट पे मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा. आकाश को इनफैक्ट मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें करेक्शन भी करना चाहूंगा. एक बात है, आप 20 घंटे के 24 घंटे भी लगा दो. All of us want to succeed in whatever effort we do, but एक चीज है, there is still an element of probability is always there कि इन सब के बावजूद there is a possibility of not making it. Like I remember in our initial conversation, your papa, like he was not very sure कि इस बार होगा या नहीं होगा. इन्होंने क्या सोचा, तुमने बोला था कि पापा ने सोचा आगे OTA में करेंगे करके.
Yes, sir.
ये छटपटाहट का मतलब है when you get too attached to the outcome कि मेरे को
Yes.
recommend होना है, it can actually create a lot of internal pressure, and
Yes, sir.
especially when somebody is not prepared, still he wants to get recommended, but then तो आपका performance उल्टा ही हो जाएगा. तो mind को एक बार इसके लिए भी prepare कर दो. In spite of everything, there is a probability of you not making it. उससे मन शांत हो जाएगा and you can deliver your best. I
Yes, sir.
don't know if Akash you got it.
I got your point, sir.
Yeah, can you repeat मैंने क्या बोलना चाहा है? This is for all.
सर मैं इसको लाइन में बोल देता हूँ आपके लिए.
बोलो.
सर लाइक कर्म वो करो जो करना ही फल लगे.
एब्सोल्यूट लगे, मतलब इतना इंटेंसिटी अपने प्रोसेस में डाल दो कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस नियर 1 हो जाए. बट 1
Yes, sir.
कभी नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करना, क्योंकि वहां पे देयर इज ऑलवेज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी कि साला सब कुछ सही होते भी कुछ उल्टा हो सकता है. उससे
Yes,
क्या होता है, मन थोड़ा सा बैलेंस में रहता है. नहीं तो आई हैव सीन मेनी कैंडिडेट जो एसएसबी इंटरव्यू में वेटिंग रूम में बैठते हैं, उनको देखने से, बेचारों को देखने से डर लगता है, ये बच्चा कितने प्रेशर में, क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है बकरी कटने जा रहा है. दिस इज बिकॉज दैट परफॉर्मेंस का प्रेशर. नो, अपना बेस्ट दे के आओ, एंड बाकी दैट 0.1% ऑफ नॉट मेकिंग वो होगा तो होगा. दैट स्टेबिलिटी अंडर बोथ कंडीशन, सक्सेस में भी स्टेबल, फेलियर में भी केबल. तो बहुत सही तुमने उसको सम अप किया. कैन यू से दैट लाइन दोबारा?
Yes, sir. This is from Major Vivek Jacob. He is ex-para optic and officer of para SF. He said, "कर्म वो करो जो करना ही फल लगे."
मजा आ जाए, मतलब कर्म ऐसा करो कि उसके प्रोसेस को ही फल लगने लगे. So when you enjoy the process, whether you reach the destination or not, you have enjoyed the process so much, and when the process is correct, the end has to be achieved. So
Yes, sir.
that's
Then it is a byproduct of like.
प्रोडक्ट. So बहुत मजा है. आकाश, तुम्हारा भी मेडिकल 5 मई को है. आई होप
Yes,
तुम्हारा
sir.
मेडिकल जो है बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा, एंड
Yes, sir.
यू विल मेक इट थ्रू देयर आल्सो विदाउट. पीएबीटी भी तुमने क्लियर कर लिया है.
Yes, sir.
So how was it? How did you prepare for PABT, and how did you perform there? In short, can you tell us?
Sir, it's
PABT पहले हुआ था या बाद में हुआ था?
नहीं सर, ये रेकमेंड होने के बाद ही होता है. पहले सर जो कई लोग जाते थे तो वो बताते थे कि स्क्रीन इन होने के बाद सब लोगों का होता था.
ओके. लेकिन अभी जो है रेकमेंड होने के बाद किया है.
Yes, sir. So what I feel, they generally check the agility and the
Yeah.
motor skills,
Motor
how
skills.
agile you are, और एक बार का पढ़ा हुआ कितना याद रहता है.
Yeah, retention. So you could do that easily.
Yes, sir. Like, मतलब what I feel, average guy can do it if he can retain those things
Yeah,
in that
मतलब
particular.
attention, मतलब mental, psychological, आपका senses सब attentive हो, तो उसको अच्छे से सुनो, and if you have that reflexes, you know.
And if somebody is playing video games in their daily life, so it makes all easy about them.
Yeah.
Because what I can say, PABT, earlier it was PABT, now it is CPSS. So PABT is a subset of CPSS now.
Yeah, it is.
So like DRDO, DIPR only, they have developed it in that particular way.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आकाश, and you know, I hope you make it to the medicals also. Your father must be very, very happy. Is he around? बगल में है पापा?
Yes, sir, he is there.
Yeah, can we just have a word with him also, since
Sure, sir.
yeah, वो बुलाओ अपने पापा को.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर. बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपका बेटा है ना फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में एयरफोर्स एफकैट फ्लाइंग क्लियर किया है, एंड आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड आपकी खुशी कितनी होगी, क्योंकि मेरे पिताजी भी आपकी तरह सुविधा मेजर साहब थे फौज में. तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. थोड़ा अपने बेटे के बारे में बताना, आपका नाम क्या, थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताना सर.
सर माई सेल्फ अखिलेश कुमार शर्मा सर.
अखिलेश कुमार शर्मा जी, हाँ, जूनियर वारंट ऑफिसर.
यस सर, यस सर.
या तो कैसा लग रहा है आपका बेटे का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में रेकमेंड होने के बाद आपको?
सर आई फील प्राउड ऑफ हिम एज माय सन. He succeeded first time in SSB. It is a very big thing, as you know very well, sir. You are guiding the peoples.
Yeah.
And he is also taken some steps, many steps from you, and he has shared his all the things, and he has done as per you, sir.
Okay.
And finally, presently he is also, as he has done there, he is behaving also like that.
No, no, I'm sure उसको वो तो आपके दोनों बच्चों को, आपके बेटा और एक बेटी भी है, one is in 10th and one is 9, तो आपके दोनों बच्चों के लिए भी बड़ा भाई बहुत बड़ा एक इंस्पिरेशन बन गया होगा,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना। बहुत अच्छा लगा है, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको भी, अपनी पत्नी को भी, for your son's outstanding success, and God bless you and your family, sir.
Actually, sir, he was preparing for so many examinations of UPSC like CAPF
अच्छा,
and this UPPSC and this CDS.
okay.
And for that preparation, he has done so many homework. He has made his notebooks. So he was having a little bit more practice of writing also. And
Yeah, that I can feel. बहुत अच्छा मेहनत किया आपके बेटे ने, और काफी समझदारी से बात कर रहा, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके बेटे से बात करके, एंड
Sir.
आपको बहुत बहुत दोबारा, है ना, कांग्रेचुलेशन, थैंक यू,
sir, it is your blessing, sir, only, sir.
गॉड ब्लेस, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। आकाश को
Thanks, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू,
Okay, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
जय हिंद, जय हिंद, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। आकाश,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Akash, finally, any message for all the viewers who are watching? I'm sure first attempt without coaching, only videos ke through, so any message for them?
So what I feel, the only message which is very loud and clear to everybody, just work on yourself, know your strengths, know your weakness, and assess over a period of time, because it's a long process. It's a gradual process. Doesn't matter you will clear it this time or not. You'll clear it maybe first time, maybe sometime due to the nature of entry you are going. Sometime it will be a direct entry. जहाँ पे गलती की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं होती है, या उन लोगों को बंदे काटने ही हैं उतने. So what I feel, just not work on your English, also work on your like ability to describe something so well that कि जो सुनने वाला है वो पहली बार में ही समझ जाए कि आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल, मतलब अपने ऊपर काम करो, एंड थिंग्स विल फॉलो। सो बहुत अच्छा
Yes,
लगा
sir.
बात करके, एंड थैंक यू आकाश, कांग्रेचुलेशन वंस अगेन, एंड
Thank you, sir.
let's hope that you clear your medical also and become a good pilot in the Indian Air Force and serve the country like your father. God bless you and your family.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Jai Hind, sir.
Bye.